The Nigerian Stock Exchange is set in continuous trade already. Let's take a look at the numbers with Rotimi Fakaijo, who is the CEO of Enterprise Stockbrokers and a trader with the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Rotimi, good morning to you.
Good morning, Harry.
It's been a very busy week for the market, starting from Monday, where we had the Monetary Policy Committee holding its meeting. So Monday and Tuesday, when the decision was announced, and it seems as if investors just priced that in, shook it off, and continued, because we've seen a little bit of tepid movement across the counters at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Give us a sense of where the market is this morning. Is it still looking as green as it did yesterday?
Well, the answer is in the affirmative. The market is still looking green this morning. The OSHA index is trending at 0.04% positive. And there's quite been a good volume done today and in value. The market has done over 500 million even in the short time that it has started trading this morning.
So talk to us a little bit more about some of the major counters. Yesterday, Guarantee Trust Bank, Forte Oil and Zenith Bank were among those that contributed to the positive close. How are those stocks shaping up today? Forte Oil, for instance, added as much as over 10% to its share price. That equity has seen a little bit of lackluster trading from investors.
Well, I think for this week, Forte Oil has been particularly very active, and I believe it's done very well with respect to where the price started at the beginning of the week. And this morning also, we've seen the price trending at over 75 naira before it came down back to 72 naira. But all in all, it is gaining as much as 12 kobo presently. Likewise, Zenith Bank is gaining 5 kobo, and also Total is leading the gainers fast, having gained about 13 naira and 96 kobo, trending at 298 over 298 naira presently. The only ones that are really losing for now are the likes of Nigerian Breweries, losing about 50 kobo, Custodian and Allied Insurance 15 kobo, and 15 5 kobo. So I believe those ones are still very much acceptable at this time. And I believe that as trend continues, the most appropriate is be able to upkeep the present trend and to be able to feel the market positive today and also the week.
On Thursday, that was just yesterday, Guinness Nigeria posted its half-year result for 2016, and the numbers were not looking too good, and we saw that it was among the top 3 losers from yesterday. It closed at 66 naira 55 kobo. How are investors viewing that stock today?
Well, I think there isn't any particular interest showing forth for now, and the perspective is still very negative with respect to the results. And I think it will most likely continue that way, except if there are particular interest which may overturn the present position.
Because it would seem that this is, apart from Nigerian breweries, it is the second largest brewer, and investors will be particular about it. But for today, what are your expectations? Do you expect the market to still maintain this momentum that we've started with, a positive outlook for the rest of the day?
Well, I think for the kind of volume we have seen turned out for Nigerian breweries this morning, there is every tendency that it may still be able to at least nil out the loss position that the loss of about 50 kobo presently, and be able to still close off. So if this trend we are seeing continues, we are most likely to have market closing positive today. But every indicator is actually showing that the market will close off, and that ultimately implies that the week also will close positive after the lackluster performance of last year.
All right, Rotimi, I'll try and share your positive outlook for the market. But thank you so much for joining us on the program and giving us a sense of where the market is.